South Africa, in this video, I'm giving you 5 weekend side hustles you can start today to make around 500 rand a day with little to no experience. I'm Ekow, ex-investment banker turned legacy builder. I've tested side hustles, built online income, and used the extra money to get into property, not just nice sneakers. Let's start with hustle number 1. Facebook Marketplace Flips. This is one of the easiest side hustle in South Africa because you don't need followers, a website, or a fancy skill. You just need a phone and common sense. First, go to Facebook Marketplace and check the free and low price section and look for low risk items like chairs, small appliances, baby stuff, kids furniture, things people outgrow or want gone quickly. For example, you buy a solid dining chair set for 200 rand from someone who's moving, and you resell it for 400 rand to someone kitting out their first flat who doesn't have time to hunt for bargains. Do that 3 times in a weekend and you've made 600 rand profits. No timesheets, no overtime form, just you and your phone. The game is simple. Buy underpriced during the week, clean it up if needed, and resell on Saturday or Sunday when people are actively shopping. If you protect just 1 2-hour block on Saturday to collect and 1 on Sunday to deliver, that's your weekend income window right there. Now zoom out for a second. You've got 48 hours every weekend. Even if you sleep, chill, go to church, or watch a bit of Netflix, you can still use 5 to 10 of those hours differently. Most people treat their Saturday and Sunday like a rest and spend zone instead of an earn and spend zone. That's why nothing changes. Quick math, 6 hours a weekend times 4 weekends at just 100 rand an hour. That's 2,400 rand a month. If that first hustle already gave you an idea for this weekend, hit like and comment weekend income so I know to go deeper on this in future videos. We still have 4 more weekend plays to go, and I'll show you how to plug all of them into a simple system for your first property investment deposit. Alright, hustle number 2 is for you if you are good with kids or you've ever helped your cousins with homework. A Saturday kids club or homework hub. Parents are stressed, they want their kids safe, off screens, and actually doing schoolwork, and they need a few hours to breathe on weekends. You solve all of that in one shot and get paid for it. Here's how it works. You run a 3-hour Saturday club in your lounge, complex clubhouse, or even at a nearby hall if you can get it. Offer a safe space, homework help, and simple games. Nothing crazy, just structured kids don't get at home. You charge 80 rand to 100 rand per child for 3 hours. And if you get 6 kids, that's 480 rand to 600 rand for 1 Saturday block. 80 rand times 6, that's 480. Push it to 100 rand and you are at 600 rand. From 3 hours doing what a lot of you already do for free for relatives. I know someone in Pretoria who basically stumbled into this. She started helping her neighbor's kids with homework on Saturdays. Next thing, the parents in the complex WhatsApp group were asking if their kids could join. And suddenly she had a small class and a waiting list. No website, no logo, just trust, consistency, and a clear time. Every Saturday, 9 to 12, Kids Club. Now, stack this with hustle number 1 in your head. 1 Saturday Kids Club at around 500 to 600 rand, plus 1 or 2 marketplace flips. And suddenly, that's 800 to over 1,000 rand on a weekend that used to be just series, scrolling, and more walking. Keep even half of that in your property pot every weekend. And you are talking 2,000 rand a month plus. That's 24,000 rand a year. That's not a dream. It's maths. Would you actually run something like this where you stay? Or does it feel too weird? Drop a comment with kids if this is your lane. Or flips if you are more marketplace. I want to see which one my audience is backing. Now, for people who say, I don't like kids and I don't want to be on camera, but you still want weekend money, let's go there next. Alright, hustle number 3 is for people who are good with phones. A fixed tech and apps home visit service. There are so many parents, gogos, and small business owners who are stressed out by tech. WhatsApp backups, email not working, streaming that keeps buffering, banking apps that lock them out. You're already the one fixing this stuff for free in your family. We are just turning that into a simple paid weekend offer. Here's the offer. You go to their house, you help them back up WhatsApp, log into email properly, set up streaming, clean up phone storage, and make sure their banking app actually works. You charge around 250 rand per visit. And if you do 2 visits on Saturday, that's your 500 rand day. No boss, just problem solved. And the best part, once you save someone from tech stress, they tell everybody, their sister, their church group, their stock fell. Practically, you can start by posting in your complex WhatsApp group, church group, or street group. Say something like, on Saturdays, I'm doing home visit to help with phone storage, WhatsApp backup, Netflix, and banking app. 250 rand for a 2 to 3 hour cleanup. Reply tech if you want a slot. You don't need a website. You need 1 or 2 people to say yes this weekend. That's it. If you're already the tech person in your family, comment tech below so I know this is your lane. Now, here's the part most people miss. And this is what makes this video, Money Talks with Ekow, not just a random side hustle list. Weekend income doesn't change your life if it just becomes more takeaways, more rides, and more soft life on Instagram. So we are going to install one simple system. The weekend to property rule. Whatever you make from this weekend hustles, marketplace flips, kids club, tech visit, or whatever lane you pick, you split it like this. 50% goes straight into your property pot or legacy fund. 30% goes straight into debt or emergencies, killing interest, or catching up with that one account that keeps embarrassing you. And 20% is guilt-free fun. You are allowed to enjoy some of it without feeling like a prisoner. So let's say between flips, kids club, and tech visit, you make 1,000 rand a weekend. Using the weekend to property rule, 500 rand goes into your property pot. 300 rand hits debt or your emergency cushion. And 200 rand you can blow on a nice meal or whatever you like. That way, every Saturday hustling and every Sunday gig is quietly building your first property investment deposit, not just your next month-end panic. Let me show you how this looks for a normal oak, not a millionaire. Let's call him Thabo. Thabo picks 2 lanes: Facebook Marketplace flips and Saturday Kids Club. Most weekends, he pulls in around 1,000 rand between the two. Using the weekend to property rule, he moves 500 rand into his property pot every weekend. That's roughly 2,000 rand a month. Over 12 months, that's 24,000 rand. If he pushes a little harder some months, it's easily 30,000 rand sitting in that property pot. Now, say he's aiming for a 600,000 rand starter property. A 10% deposit is 60,000 rand, a number that feels impossible when you are broke by the 20th. A 2,000 rand a month from weekends, that's around 2.5 years to hit that deposit. Not overnight, but way faster than one day when I earn more. Most people will still be complaining about their rents in 5 years because their weekends are just rest and spend. Thabo is not special. He just decided his weekends are an asset, not an escape. The question is, which version are you going to be? The 1-day version or the 2.5-year deposit version? Those are the 3 core lanes. Now, let me give you 2 quick bonus plays you can plug into the same weekend to property system. Hustle number 4 is a content day assistant. For small businesses that hate filming but know they need TikToks and Reels. You show up for about 3 hours on Saturday, film them working, and edit 5 short clips they can post during the week using just your phone and CapCut. You charge 500 to 700 rand per content day. So one client on Saturday is your 500 rand day done. And it all plugs into your weekend to property system. Hustle number 5 is events and weekend rush services. You stop just attending sport days, church events and markets, and start selling something simple. That could be a cold drink or snack stand, or a phone charging station where you charge around 20 rand a charge at busy events. Even 50 charges in a long day is 1,000 rand, or a few hundred rand in snack margin, all from being the one person who came to collect, not just consume. So now you've got 5 weekend side hustles, a simple system for where the money goes, and a realistic path to a deposit like Thabo. This weekend, don't try all 5. Pick one lane. Aim for 300 to 500 rand and prove to yourself your weekends are an asset, not just an escape. If you are in, comment weekend income so I know you are serious. And if you want me to show you exactly how to turn that property pot into your first rental income, watch this video right here. It breaks down the path from extra weekend income to your first investment property in South Africa. I want to see your weekends not as a break from your life, but as a bridge to the life you actually want. I'm Ekow. This is Money Talks. Be a legacy builder, and I'll see you in the next one.